How to fix update KB5078127 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with this out-of-band update. The first method is install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking on the link, you will reach this page. Here you can find multiple files. Find the file compatible with your system. To do this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on About. Here system type is given. Check the system type of your computer and find the file here. This file is for x64 based system and version 25H2. Click on the respective download button. This link includes KB5078127. So click on this link and let the file download. Once downloaded, go to the download location. Click on File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on the just downloaded MSU file and select Open. Preparing the installation. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Update for Windows KB5078127. Click on Yes and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Your computer will restart a couple of times and the out-of-band update will be installed. If the issue still persists, then fix problems using Windows Update. To do this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. Over here, you can find Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded. You can see in this section. After the downloading is completed, a Restart Now pop-up will be showing. Click on Restart Now and let the repair version install. After installation, again try to install KB5078127. If the problem still occurs, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. Once this interface appears, select this option. I can't download, install or uninstall an update and follow the on-screen instructions until the completion of troubleshooting. Then try to install the out-of-band update. The next method is Reset Windows Update Components. Click on Search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, then go to the video description. You will find these commands in the description. Run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press Enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and press Enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running these commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the Windows Update. If the issue still persists, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services. Look for App Readiness in the list, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, Make sure that startup type is automatic here. If it is not automatic, click on the drop down and select automatic. Then click on apply and click on start if it is highlighted. Click on OK. Right click on app readiness. Select restart. In the same manner, find background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this service. Select properties. Change the startup type to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start. Click on OK. Then right click on the service. Select restart. Then look for Windows update. This one. Right click on this service. Select properties. Make sure that a startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, then select automatic. Click on apply and click on start if the service status is showing stopped. Click on OK. Right click on the Windows Update service. Select restart. Close the services window and then check for updates. Here you will find check for updates button. Click on that. The next method is run system files checker and DISM tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, go to the video description again. You will find these two commands there. Copy the SFC SCANNOW command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Let the process 100% complete. After completion, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. The operation completed successfully. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If any of the methods doesn't work, then you will have to perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down and go to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section. Click on this drop down and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. For ARM64 devices, click on this link here and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Then you have to select the product language to avoid any mistake. Click on start, go to settings, click on time and language, language and region. Here is Windows display language. This is the product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and select the language here. Click on choose one and select the language. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to the download location. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe and select open. Uncheck this box. Checking this option will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. At last, click on install. Your computer will restart multiple times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the out-of-band update. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.